Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
Welcome back once again, guys.
We're again on another road trip.
Yeah, further this time.
Yeah, so we're going further this time around.
Yeah.
Um,
It seems like every time we do a road trip, we go further and further.
Yeah.
So this is literally going to be a 4-hour drive to and from for us.
altogether,
So
yeah.
it's much further, but we're enjoying it. We liking the road trip. So
but I mean, I think also to get the good deals, we have to
we
go
have to drive a
further.
bit further. Yeah.
It's unfortunate, but tell them where we're going, what we do.
Yeah, now we're going through to Worcester. I'm excited because I haven't been there since I was small. So I'm excited to go check out the area as well.
Yeah.
That's why we have the wifey with. She doesn't want to be in the vlog. She's making a backdrop there for us.
I think my head is blocking it. So it's
Yeah.
fine.
So she also want to see what it's worth. Shamil, I know you've been there a million times already.
Yeah.
We're going to drive the right but we don't
Yeah.
have the VTEC and we don't have the 180i with us, so we can't exactly,
Yeah, we could
enjoy
be,
the tunnel.
yeah. So it would have been nice to get some cool photos on the way.
Yeah.
Because Riyadh and I are both photographers also.
Yeah.
But the car we're driving is the EG.
It's
Just
a higher car though.
yeah.
So if we get through roadblocks, we search.
Yeah.
But we're going now to go collect some parts. We finally, guys, gonna start working on the track ball.
Yeah,
Finally.
yeah.
That's why we're actually driving so far, because we got a very good deal up there for some parts that would be needed in order for us to do what we need to do. Yeah, so I don't know, I'm excited. Once we actually get the parts, we'll show you, because look, it's still a decision of whether we're gonna take it, but if you're seeing the video, we probably did take it.
Yeah.
But yeah, we will take you guys with us on the trip. We have the GoPro set up here, so enjoy the visuals.
Yeah. Before we cut away.
Yeah.
So for those of you who don't know, we do have a third car, which is Riyadh's other car, the Blue Ballad.
What the other car even makes a love sick?
Well, huh?
That's my car. I don't have another car.
well, yeah. So Penelope is actually Riyadh's wife's car. The blue car, which is the shelf, is Riyadh's car.
The cupboard.
The cupboard, yeah. So that car has been standing for
Almost 3 years now.
Yes.
Without the motor.
without the motor.
So
Just a bit of a backstory.
yeah.
That
No motor,
car-
no gearbox, no seat, no nothing.
Yeah, it's basically just a shell.
Ah.
So basically, that car was a 150 I.
Yeah, 150i. Yeah.
150i Inco.
Yeah.
So for those of you who don't know, the
That's
Inco
your
is the
base
base model.
Base, no power steering.
No
nothing.
power steering, no electric mirrors, no electric windows, no electric in the car.
Seats.
Yeah, so basically the reason why Riyadh is using that car for the track build is mainly because it has no power steering, so the handling should be
A lot
better
better.
around the track.
It's basically bare bones, so it's a lot lighter also.
Yes. So that car is going to be our build from the ground up.
Basically.
A lot of what we're gonna, there's not gonna be a first for in terms of motor swap, because we did that in my car already.
Yeah.
But I mean, we are buying everything from that car. I think we're probably gonna put that road race in there at some point.
Something, yeah.
That's gonna be our seat time car also for the track.
Yeah.
With Aurora, we're gonna do like maybe drags, Ultimal drags.
Yeah.
We're gonna do track with that car also.
Yeah.
But this car is gonna be the track car.
Yeah.
Um,
Hopefully we can try and keep a daily track, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But ideally it's gonna stand and only be used for track.
Yeah.
So we need to go track racing.
yeah.
So we're gonna learn a lot in that car as well.
Yeah.
So it's a ground up rebuild, it's gonna be a suspension rebuild, and all of this obviously costs money, guys. We always say we are not rich.
Yeah. We are the
very-
broke boys.
We are very poor. So when we see deals, and even though it's further and it's a good deal, we drive for it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But yeah, we are freaking excited, because this gives us an opportunity to literally build the car from the ground up.
Yeah.
Once
And I mean,
again.
look, even the painting of Riyadh's car took a lot longer than expected.
Yeah.
Mainly because it was all on us on the time we had to prep the car.
Prep the car.
Whereas it would have gone a lot quicker if we had the money, but we didn't.
Yeah.
So with this car, same thing. It's gonna take a lot longer What took a lot longer because
Yeah,
we had to first finish the other car.
yeah.
And then
It's
build
not
this
going to
one.
be an overnight thing.
Yeah.
It's not going to be an overnight thing. It's going to take time. So currently, we're still going to be on the lookout either for a B18B sub-assembly or B20 sub-assembly. Ideally, I want B18B because it's a stronger block. But whatever I can find for the money that allows us, because we don't have a lot.
Yeah.
Sorry, brother. But I am driving 120 today. Yeah. Anyway, guys, enjoy the visuals. We'll catch you guys there. Yay!
How do you know that you are successful? You have a Porsche. Success WP.
Hold on.
So guys, this is the closest we are gonna get to like a travel vlog from Doritos.
We've been driving quite far out. Like we even drive far out for events. You drove to PE once
Oh, yeah.
for an event. I drove to Neisner. Dedication, guys.
Oh yeah, so we're gonna go to events. So but guys, if you wanna invite us, please invite us.
It's 2 for 32 rand.
Oh.
Now while we're still recording, guys, no? Don't now come expected for that price when you come here as well.
Guys, we just came to the toll now.
Thank you, my love.
Yeah.
Am I rolling? The airfoil? Kamil, the airfoil? Let's tell, bro.
This road is very nice. I don't know why they didn't make it like this or like this.
Yeah, they must like do like quarter miles here.
Huh? So yeah, guys, we came to the toll now. So we're on our way to the tunnel.
Nice. On our way through the tunnel. And a clap of burnout in there.
So when we come back, there's a camera over there.
Oh.
So because you see you're coming downhill.
Yeah.
So you have to be aware of your speed.
Yeah.
So yeah, just so a heads up for you guys coming back into town.
Shamil.
Yeah, I know.
We don't need Google Maps, we have Shamil.
Yeah, we'll get some fines here on this
Trip
road.
conductor. Oh yeah.
So yeah, we will just carry on the road, and then we'll probably record again when we get closer or when something pops up.
Yeah, well. Like a skyline. Oh, it's pretty man. Yeah, like in the woods here, like horror films.
Oh.
It has to be in a cabin somewhere in the woods. It can't just be in someone's joint there in the plane. You know what I mean? It has to be in the woods. Oh, yeah, that. Like for VTEC or FeetTech.
So guys, if it looks like we next to winter, we are next to winter.
Yo! Yes, Yo, this is trippy, bro.
I don't think you're allowed to stop in here.
Is it? Yeah,
Yeah.
I would imagine it's not to stop.
Yeah.
Yo! We've reached the light at the end of the tunnel. Shamil, don't look into the light. Don't go, Shamil. Yo, now my eyes was gonna adjust heavy, bro. Huh? Dashcam footage, yeah.
Oh, the camera is adjusting. Booster. Like I don't know, somewhere in this mountains there, I think they use it for like Lord of the Rings or something.
Really?
I think so, yeah.
Where?
Obviously they have to like cut out the roads.
Yeah, if we
But
go
I think
there,
there's a mountain.
we find Smeagol.
I think so.
Can we beat him? Precious. Precious, bro. So, I just go to any place. I don't want to say the place's name. But go to a Riba place, you'll find Smeagol there. You'll find a lot of them. Is that where they make toast? Or is it toes, Rafi? Maybe I can get my toes healed here, Shamil. Toes, Rafi.
That's what they do, the heel toe.
Shamil, I'm gonna have to put subtitles in our vlog. I don't know if we're gonna vlog this, bro, because this bro talks Afrikaans, man.
Oh,
I have to communicate with him Afrikaans.
I don't talk Afrikaans. So I need the subtitles first before we can. Because my Afrikaans
As
is
we're
bad.
talking, it needs to already come up like in real life now.
Oh
Like
yeah.
above his head, you know what I mean? Not the code, like the phone number itself.
But where was your number written on? Oh, on the paper.
No, on the phone. No, then I open the phone,
Okay.
Shamil's contact, then it shows Shamil's number there. Then you take a photo of it, then you tap a thing at the bottom, and then on the iPhone it highlights that section, then it saves the number. Like how the hell does it pick up a number in a photograph?
It must
But-
seem like a scan code.
But not just that, also
Just
a lot.
scan.
In a straight, yeah, that way. So a lot of the cameras, when you take photos, I can't pick up text
Oh.
Even on our phones, you can pick up
Yeah,
text.
like a translator stuff
Yes,
also, yeah.
I can pick up text, but we don't have obviously have an option of saving the number from.
Yeah, it's freak, man.
Why you want an iPhone?
No, I'm an Android guy. I'm an Android boy.
Guys, there's what's this wooden mic here? In the car?
Okay.
So guys, we are in Worcester. Yeah, so far we didn't do any much core content. It's just maybe like a travel
Travel vlogs, bro.
vlog.
Yeah, straight. Left.
Straight.
Oh, straight.
So we're just doing travel vlogs here in the Worcester.
Oh, flat cars. No.
Yeah.
No.
So let's see what maybe we can find some gems here.
Yeah, like here's one standing.
There's one
Balachi.
Ballard. We see a lot of stock cars. If you guys please comment if you guys have modified cars. I would like to see what the Worcester styles
The
look like.
Worcester style is, yeah. I know the serious man. Like I had a guy come through from Caledon and he literally had to get a truck because he bought my motor from me. From the car that we're building now.
Oh yeah.
And he came from Caledon and he told me the Honda community is so small that he had to make that trip out.
Yo.
So far to come and buy a motor from me. He just needed a sub, but he bought a whole motor.
Oh, look at that EG.
Wait, but this thing is clean.
Yeah.
Yo!
Spoons. Yo. Nice. So guys, this is what we came for. Riaz is buying the gearbox. B series. It's a S4C. This is the Honda, guys. Oh. Civic also here. Another Honda. It's a nice color.
Okay, kwai. Hindi, di ECU en loom, wat? Makan si ramen doen. Oh ja, ze moeten zeggen aan de oorbel. Want ik ga either een VTEC in een of 180i.
So guys, this is the setup. So we have the gear linkages over here, gearbox, shafts, T-bracket over here, the gearbox bracket over there. So yeah, this is the thing I mentioned before, the S4C box. This is going to go into Riaz's, into the blue Ballard, which will be the track car. So yeah, we just spoke now to the guy, and this whole road is full of Hondas. So we didn't know that the Honda community is quite big here, but I mean, these people are doing things. So I think that one over there, that Civic, is doing planning on doing a case walk in there. So yeah, we actually stopped at the wrong house, like two houses away here, with a white EG and the white spoon. But I mean, yeah. So this is actually EP3 16 wheels, OEM wheels. So yeah, looks cool.
Alright guys, so we got all the goodies. Legend. Shout out to that homie also for setting us up. Like I said, we drove very far because it was a good deal compared to what we were gonna get it in Cape Town. So sometimes you need to make that trips, guys. So we got everything basically, as you saw. We got the gearbox, S4C VTEC gearbox, we got the shafts, we got the T-bracket, and we got the linkages and some mountings as well. So now from a gearbox perspective, we sorted.
Yeah.
All we need now in this point is obviously a motor. I'm gonna need the ECU and loom. I didn't know I bought the stuff from now. Might even be able to hook me up with that, so we'll see. Because I rather wanna run the stock ECU and loom as opposed to running a Dictator right off the bat, because I rather want to chip.
Yeah.
Like we mentioned previously, I ran Dictator in my dock when it was B20. I didn't like it because of the cold start issue. Shamil is also running a chip on his standard ECU and loom, and it works absolutely perfect.
Yeah.
So that works out for me. So if you guys do have, let me know, let us know. We're willing to come out, but do bear in mind, we're obviously working on a budget.
Yeah.
This is our budget build, and hopefully this will also
all our builds are budget.
our
builds.
budget bowls, yeah, but hopefully it will also show the guys if you want to do bowls like Shamil did his baby VTEC build also, and you saw that was a budget build, and it's impressive.
Yeah.
You know what I mean, for the money that was spent He did put a lot of money into actually the servicing of the motor and the new parts, but that was for peace of mind.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Even
So,
though we were told it was a drop and go.
drop and go, yeah. Just for peace of mind, he forked out all the extra cash, and just to get that motor, so that he knows in his mind everything has been changed. Or not everything, not like pistons and stuff like that, but you know, the small warranty items has been changed out. So I'm probably also gonna do the same.
Yeah. So the blue ballad, no, the trackball has been standing there for quite some time under the car cover, and even before the car cover.
It's been standing for quite some time, yeah.
There is a bit of a forest growing in that car.
Maybe bro, we need to sort that out.
Yes. So
maybe we can sell, if anyone needs flowers, let us know. Honda Ballad flowers, bro.
we are florists.
Oh.
So we're gonna probably do like a deep clean within that car.
Yeah.
Because like we said, that is a build from the ground up. We don't even know what it
Basically,
looks like inside there now.
Yeah. But that car is gonna run stripped out interior.
Yes.
We're not gonna run mats or anything like that.
Yeah.
Not even door cards, nothing like that.
Maybe we can put something on. Now we can.
Maybe door cards,
on
yeah.
So
Oh yeah.
it
Nah, weight reduction, bro. I'm gonna cut the doors out also.
doesn't make much of a difference.
Oh, the door cards, yeah. But if you cut the doors out, you must watch that. But I'll send it to you. But I don't think I'm gonna go that far, to be honest.
Yeah.
I still want it to be tailable. If I want to get in, jump in.
You don't want it to be uncomfortable.
Yeah, because currently, or as it stands right now, Penelope is basically almost done to where it needs to be.
Yeah.
And once it's done, it's going back to its owner, which is my wife. Meaning, I will have no car. Even though the blue car is still going to be standing at the workshop, I will basically have no car. But yeah,
And we need to get the car back up and running so we can twin.
yeah, twin balls, bro.
So, but yeah, so I can't say that it hasn't been done locally, but it's going to be new for us, and I guess new for the local YouTube channel.
Yeah,
to build a track car, even though it has been done.
Yeah.
But not necessarily documented from
the ground up. From the ground up. So that's basically.
Because we do have a homie that did a track build, but he started his channel after the build was almost complete.
Yeah, basically, yeah.
So for us, we want to show you guys what we're doing and
take you on all the steps along the way.
yes,
also.
but also get input from your side for those people who actually have been building track cars. Give us advice on what to do better and what would help us with suspension, stability. Make the car like a proper
track car, because we're gonna do everything. It's still gonna be suspension, like Shamil mentioned now, suspension that we need to take into account as well. There isn't money at the moment for coilovers, so we're just gonna run what I have, or I'm gonna put other cars coilovers in and then put that new shocks and the Eibach kit over into there.
Yeah,
that's still something we discuss, you know what I mean. But yeah, guys, we're excited. We hope you guys are also excited. This is finally the start. I am feeling a little bit teary-eyed because this car has been long off the road.
Yeah.
It was my wife's pride and joy before I took ownership of it, and I stripped it Carl. So yeah,
that's gonna be exciting.
Definitely. And I hope you guys are excited as well, because we're gonna take you every step, like we've always been doing with our builds, every step of the way. We are extremely excited. But if you guys do know of any of the parts, like I mentioned, do let me know. Hit us up on our Instagram. It's at Lightly Salted CPT. You can't miss it. I will drop it down below as well. But yeah, guys, we do hope you're enjoying the content so far, and we will catch you once we
get back home.
Yeah, get back home safely. Shamin is a good pee first. We're gonna sample the toilets here in Worcester now, and the feel of the seat is still nice and warm.
But yeah, we will show you some not cinematics, but scenic shots on our way back home again.
Oh yeah, so enjoy that, guys. We'll check you there. Peace.
And you know, the whole thumbs up is like the movement that I have, and it's like all about positive at all times and always being everything's cool. But I haven't thought of like a